Hey, you can call me L and welcome to the Datorium server. Here we are talking and discussing one of the most important things. This is digitalization. Today we can barely imagine a part of life which is not digitized or not using digital technologies. All right, every day you use your smartphones, computers, dishwasher machines, robots, and different things, right? And we cannot ignore that. And this is the place where we learn and master those digital skills. One of the most today important digital skills is coding, because we are dealing with a lot of computers and we have to learn their languages to code them, right? So that they do what we want. That's the most important. So we have to be people-centric, human-centric. And that is what we are doing here. We are a community of humans. Of course, we have bots, but they just help us to do things, like you see how many bots we have. And we develop our bots also. Now, back to community. Welcome to the community. Community means we are here sharing our interests. And our interest here is coding and digital skills. So if you are really truly interested in that, welcome to the community. Now, I'll do a very short and brief demonstration of the server. We are here now, and you should react, of course, to those emojis, because it's interesting to know what is most interesting for you. All right. Here we have other channels, like rules are rules, so it's better to know them. Announcements. We will do some announcements here in this channel, and it's important channel. And please, if you see something here, that means it's important. Just read it and get some information. If you need some support, open the tick. We have a bot controlling the support ticks, and we will help you. Here we store useful links. And these are like courses, repositories, and other stuff. Timetable. If you are attending our courses, doesn't matter free or paid courses, here you will find the timetable. And it's very easy. When you just forget something, you can check it here. If you have some questions, you can check this channel. And if you want to interact with our bots, use bot commands channel. Isn't that easy? It is. Now, I'll not stop here, because as in every channel, we have a general channel and off topic. You know, in general, we are having general discussions, and in off topic, we are discussing, which is like this. For example, today we had very intensive discussion on the Instagram advertisement, if you wish, which we see here. And we had interesting discussion of that. Some say it is silly, some say it's interesting, and that's really interesting to see the reaction. Hardware. If you have any questions about hardware, that means which computer to buy, PC or Mac, laptops, or even detailed questions like, for example, questions about your monitor, questions about your CPU, and so on. You can ask here, and we all help each other. If I know something, I will share that with you. If you know something, share with us. Appreciate it, right? Software. The same with the software. If you want to install something, if you want to know about software, just write us here, and let's help each other to understand what is better for us. Showcase is the channel where our students or community members demonstrating their achievements, like what kind of applications they have made and how they look like. You can have some interesting videos here. All right. Sometimes we have events, and all those events are here. You can check or opt in for an event. Events, like, usually they are online, and we are doing interesting sessions on different things. So check this channel if you see some pop up here. So that means there will be something interesting for you. And, ba-bam, attention. Now, sometimes we do contests. The contests are real contests with real prizes, and these contests are usually about creating or developing some applications. They could be simple as snake game, calculator, or complex as a Discord bot or, for example, Chromium browser. And participating in that is really cool. If you just want to know how to work in a team, how real people work in teams in IT, then this is really very useful. Everybody can participate in contests unless you can really contribute to the team. And this is all about team. And here we have special channels, or let's say channels with special topics like web. And this is about web development, web frontend in this case, development. Frontend means mostly HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, our students are learning hard this kind of things, and we have excellent tutors and mentors for like learning and teaching this topics. C#. I mostly do, for example, C# stuff. That means C# is it's kind of Java, right? But more developed or modified. And knowing C# is really very interesting, and sometimes it's very important. This is one of the, let's say, most developed enterprise-grade languages. And this is OOP, meaning object-oriented programming. So in our courses, like free or paid courses, doesn't matter, or even without courses, we are here. Probably you will not see some of the channels inside. You can just read them, or you cannot write, but you can always participate with your questions and suggestions in Ask, for example, C# community, in Ask Web community, in Ask Python community, and so on. Here guys are learning Python intensively, implementing. They are learning things like how to create Instagram, Spotify, YouTube. These things have been made with Python, and many more, of course. Today we are dealing mostly with web applications, web apps, right? And that's why we are learning mostly creating web applications here, right? Because this is really important, and this is what the world now looks like. We are using a lot of web today. Yes, we have game dev guys, and these guys are learning with Karen, by the way, learning Unity mostly. Why Unity? Because we have C#, and in Unity we can program with C#. Okay, and Unity has its advantages over other engines. Yeah. It's not, of course, the best in terms of rendering or shaders and so on, but it has advantages like you can do fast prototyping, fast deployment, and you can do deployment of mobile games and plus web. Yeah, and this is all in one, and this is really one of the coolest engines and widely used engines. Again, you can ask here the community. If you have any questions, you can just write your question here, right? We have developers. These are internal developers, like our students who are developing real things, okay? And they're developing things like, for example, bots, browsers, and so on. This is for staff. And this is not currently for you. But who knows, maybe someday you can become a staff member. Yeah, so we have staff members who are helping us with different things. So, welcome to the community. Enjoy the server. If you have any suggestions, you can DM me. I'm here, Elchin, or you can call me El in short if you wish. Or you can write to our support. Enjoy the server, have fun here, but please respect the rules, and please respect our other community members. All right? So develop, and you can really enjoy the server because we are kind of smart people here. We're not just sharing memes and so on. We can, it's okay, but when we really have to just relax. Otherwise, we're really having fun here with learning coding and digital skills. So again, welcome and join the community, enjoy the community, and participate actively. And see you later. Bye-bye.